over here we were doing like in French language. You have to understand we have three type of verbs in French language. Basically, we have three types of verbs. Yes, one thing you have to understand in French language we have three types of verbs. Very important. Three type of verbs. Now repeat after me. You know, in English, if we have walk, speak, cook, we have different endings. Walk is ending from LK, cook ending from OK, okay, play ending from AY. But in French language, any verb, either repeat after me, it will end from ER, either it will end
Ear.
from IR, or either it will end from RE. So basically, now repeat after me. It is very important. Either my French verb will be end from ER, repte après moi s'il vous plaît. Either the French verb, because this is a rule of in French language, very important, very important, because my entire French is based upon these things. So basically, we have three types of verbs in French. Whether it will end from
E-
er. Now, for example,
Ear.
I will give you example also. For example, we have
Parler.
done the verb parler, ending from er, Claire. We have done the verb
Ouais.
cook, cuisine, ending from er, Claire.
Ear.
We have done the verb marcher. Répétez après moi, marcher, ending from er,
Marche.
marcher is to
Ear.
walk.
To walk.
C'est clair. We have a verb
Ouais.
travailler. Répétez après moi, travailler.
To work.
Travailler.
After me,
To work.
travailler. Travailler is to work. Repeat after me, travailler. Repeat after me,
Travailler.
travailler. Travailler is to work. So it means we have a verb. What is similarity over here? Ending from
ER.
er. Say clear.
Oui.
Right now, I will explain to you only er ending verb. I will not explain a b, iron, any verb. Clear? So repeat after me. So basically, my French, in French language, we have three type of verbs. Tell me what are those verbs? Tell me what are those verbs?
ERIRRE.
Ear. Ear.
Ari. Say Claire. D'accord, Manpreet? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Gagan, is it clear to you?
Oui. C'est bon.
Why? Okay, c'est très bien. So, for example, we have a verb ending from er. Why we are doing these type of things? Okay, that's fine if the verb ending from er, because we have a formula over here. We have a formula over here. Say Claire. It is just you have to repeat after me, then I will explain to you what are those. You know what? Now, for example,
Conjugation.
you have a verb of parler. Claire. Now, parler is my full verb to speak, because in French language we have a full verb pattern. We have full verb pattern. Say Claire. We called as parent verb, which we called as parent verb.
Parent verb.
Now, for example, you have a verb which is parler, and parler is to speak. Say Claire, tell me yes or no. But
Oui.
you know, in French language, we have a conjugation. In French language, we have a
Conjugation.
conjugation. Very important to understand. Manfred, Sahil, Gagan, and Summer. Very important. You know, it is not like that. Okay, we already have done. What is je? Je is to I. Say Claire. I is to je. Say Claire.
Je.
Tu is
Ouais.
to you.
You.
Say Claire.
Informal.
I can say you over here. Tu. Say
Vous.
Claire. We have she, he and she. He
LL.
and she, which is L and L. Claire. We have we,
Ouais.
which is to know.
No.
We have you formal, which is vous.
Vous.
Say Claire. We have plural il and L.
LL.
Say Claire. But, for example, we have a verb parler. which is to speak, which is to speak. But the
Speak.
moment I will conjugate my verb with I speak, you speak, he, she speaks, we speak, I cannot say je parle because we have verb parler. Now you say, okay, parler is my verb to
Je
speak.
parle.
Parler is my verb to speak. I will say je parle. No. Now we have formula over here. So now repeat after me. What we have to do is this is the rule in French language. We have to eliminate er from the end. Now, for example, you have a verb which is ending from er. You have a verb, right? Parler is my verb to ending from
Ear.
er. Say Claire Manpreet. Is it clear to you?
What?
Why? Manpreet, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Mademoiselle. Say Claire. Why? Okay. Now we have verb ending from er. So what I will do is I will remove my er. Say Claire. Now repeat the formula. After ending my er, I have to apply a formula. Now repeat after me. ESE.
Yes.
Repete après moi. ESE.
E-S-E.
ONS.
O-S.
EZ.
E-Z.
ENT.
E-N-T.
It is just now, it is just you to repeat after me, and I will explain to you how we'll conjugate this, right? So just repeat after me. ESE. Now, if I ask to you, what is the formula of ER ending verb? So you will say, oh, the formula of ER ending verb is we have to eliminate ER from the end. We have to eliminate ER
Yeah.
Ear.
from the end, and it is just we have to insert the formula of
E.
ES,
E-S.
E,
E.
ONS, EZ,
E-Z.
ENT.
E-N-T.
Now, for example, the moment you will eliminate ER from the end, what you left with? You left with PARL. You left with PARL. Stay clear. It is just you have to insert PARL over here. You have to insert PARL over here.
P-A-R-L.
Stay clear. Tell me yes or no.
Wait.
Because the moment you will eliminate ER, it is just you have, because you left with what? You left with PARL. Say Claire. Tell me yes and
Wait.
no. And it is just you have to insert a formula over here. Say Claire.
Wait.
D'accord? My first
Parle.
E, exact parle. My first
Parle.
E, my first E, my first that PARLE that belongs to I, which is je parle.
Je parle.
Say Claire.
Why didn't you pronounce the E? We don't pronounce the E.
That by default
Yeah.
it is we are pronouncing parle. It is not E aigu and E grave. C'est clair. Je parle. C'est clair. D'accord. C'est clair.
Wait.
Now, tu, because we have you, tu parle,
Parle.
because we cannot say S, parles, no. Jamais,
Yep.
never. C'est clair.
Wait.
Tu parles.
Wait.
C'est clair. D'accord. Then we have il,
Il
elle parle.
parle.
Why? Because we have ending like E, ESE. C'est clair. Je parle, tu parles, il, elle parle. C'est clair. Now, we have ONS ending with, because now we have nous. With four figure, we have nous, we. So we have nous parlons. I cannot say parlons. Never. Jamais. No. Never. Nous parlons. Why? Because ON sound is on. Nous parlons. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Wait.
Why? Then we have vous parlez.
Parler.
Why parler? Tell me. Because EZ sound is A in French. Now repeat after me. ER sound is A in French. EZ sound is A in French. And E aigu. That E aigu. You know, we have a aigu. That A sound, bottom to top, right hand side. That is also A in French. Say Claire.
A.
Tell me yes or no.
A.
Say Claire. D'accord. And then we have il, plurial. Okay, let me write it down. Il, plurial. L, plurial. parle. We cannot say parlons. No, we will say parle. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. So now repeat after
Wait.
me. Je parle. Repeat after me, please.
Je
Je
parle,
Tu parles, il est parle.
je
Mhm.
parle,
Tu parles. Elle
parle,
parle. Nous parlons.
elle parle,
Nous parlons. Vous
nous
parlez.
parlons,
No problem.
Elle parle. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
elle parle.
C'est clair. Why?
Yeah.
Clear? D'accord? Now, par exemple, made-up this. Made-up this. Est-ce que j'ai pas facile le tableau? I'm asking you. Est-ce que j'ai pas facile le tableau? Made-up this. Why? Why? Is it clear to
Pourquoi?
you? Okay, all right. Now, par exemple, we have a verb trouver. We
To
have a
find.
verb trouver. Trouver is my verb to find. Trouver is my verb to find. Is it clear to you? Now, repeat.
Wait.
after me. Trouver is my verb to find. Say
Find.
clair. Now, because
Yes, true.
obviously, évidemment, this is a verb which is ending from what? ER. Say clair. So you tell the formula of over here. What is the formula of ending verb? You will say ES,
Yes. Yeah.
ONS, EZ, ENT. Say clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yep.
So you can make the formula like this. Je trouve is to I found. Repeat after me. Je trouve, tu trouves. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Is it clear to you, Manpreet? Okay, you tell me.
Yeah.
C'est difficile ou facile?
C'est facile. C'est
C'est facile.
facile.
C'est très bien.
C'est très facile.
C'est très facile. Why?
अच्छा.
Is it clear to you? Ouais.
Yeah.
Elle trouve. C'est clair. D'accord? Now, je trouve, tu trouves. It is just. Vous pouvez utiliser le formulaire. It is just you have to utilize the formula. C'est clair. So, ESE, what is next ending? ONS, c'est très bien. D'accord? Pas de grave, pas de problème. So, you can say, nous trouvons.
Trouvons.
C'est clair. Vous
Oui.
trouvez.
Trouver.
Trouver.
And il, elle trouve.
Trouvons.
Trouve.
Okay.
C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. So now
ENT
repeat it,
sound
please.
pronounce नहीं होता, Gagan.
Yes, in verbs we will
Mhm.
not pronounce ENT. Say clair. And it is il, elle trouve. Say clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Why? Is
Oui.
it clear to you? Now repeat it, please.
Sir.
Repeat it, please. Répétez après moi. Repeat it, please. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Je
Je
trouve.
trouve.
Uh-huh.
Je trouve.
Tu trouves.
Tu trouves.
Uh-huh. C'est très bien.
Elle trouve.
Il, elle trouve. C'est très bien. D'accord. Uh-huh.
Nous
Nous
trouvons.
trouvons.
Mhm. C'est très bien.
Vous trouvez.
Vous trouvez. Uh-huh.
Elle,
Ah,
Elle trouve.
il, elle trouve. Exactement. Exactement. D'accord. Why? Mhm. Okay. Now, par exemple, I will give you some verb which you have to conjugate. Okay, so that you will come to know how to conjugate and you will come to know a new verbs also. We have verb commander. Commander. We have an sound is on. Repeat after me. An sound is on.
On.
Répétez après moi. Because this is the phonetics now, because obviously the moment you will, jump on the verbs, you will come to know the phonetics. It's not command, no, commande. Why? Because an sound is on and er sound is e. Commande. So commande is to order. Sahil, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Tamar?
Yeah.
Why? Gagan? Why?
Yep. Oui.
Why? And Manfred? Why? So we have an sound is on. Say clair.
AN sound.
Yep.
On.
On.
An sound is
Commande.
on. Say clair.
Can
And
you write it down, please?
I will write it down for you. Paragraph. You know Hindi?
हाँ जी,
Can I
हाँ जी,
write
लिख
it?
दो.
Okay, c'est très bien. C'est clair? That on.
Ouais.
Why? So an sound is on and ear sound is a. C'est clair? D'accord? Why? Mhm. So we have a verb like commander. Répétez après moi. Commander. Commander is to order.
Commande.
Now, par exemple, we have e-running verb. So what is the formula? Tell me. E,
E,
yes, E,
E,
ONS,
ONS,
EZ,
EZ,
c'est très simple.
ENT.
ENT.
What you have to do is you have to insert you have to eliminate ER and you have to insert commande, 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 commandant, commande, commande. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Ouais.
Why? Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So we have one more verb which you have to conjugate, please. Conjugate the verb don't say. Repeat after me. Don't say. Don't say is to dance. Don't say is my verb to dance.
Dance.
Okay. So you tell me this is a ironic verb. So what you will do? Mademoiselle Manfred. Comment on peut conjuguer le verbe? Uh-huh. Tell me, dis-moi, mademoiselle. Tell me.
Je
The verb.
danse.
Pronunciation of
Mhm.
this one.
Yes, what you have to do
Don't say
is, Manpreet, mademoiselle, tell
to
me.
remove the ER.
Exactement. Remove the ER. Very good. C'est très bien. Okay. Then insert the formula of S O N S
ONS,
Z
EZ, ENT.
N T. C'est clair. EESEONSEZENT. C'est clair. D'accord. Well, explain to alphabet also. That's not a problem. Claire. So ear sound is A. So what you will do? I dance, you dance, he, she dances. What you will do? Tell me. Je danse. Claire.
Don't,
Claire. Tu danses. C'est clair.
don't,
D'accord. Il, elle danse.
L,
C'est clair. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Nous dansons, vous dansez, il, elle danse. Tell me yes and no. Can you do this?
Yep.
Why? Is it clear to you,
Ouais.
mademoiselle et
Yeah.
monsieur? Okay. Now, par exemple, we have a verb, messieurs, like demander. Demander. Demander is to ask. Demander. Why demander? Acha, how to read this? My E sound is A, AN sound is on, and ER sound is A.
A,
So that is demander.
Monday.
Demander is to ask. Is it clear to you? So tell me
Yep.
how to conjugate this. Tell me how to conjugate this.
Remove ER and je
Mhm.
demande.
Mm-hmm.
And
Very
apply
good.
ES,
Tu demandes, il, elle.
ONS, EZ,
demande.
ENT.
Nous
Very
Nous
good.
demandons.
demandons.
Mhm. C'est
Vous
très bien.
demandez.
Très
Elle,
bien.
elle demande.
D'accord, c'est très bien. C'est très bien. Vous êtes très, très, très intelligent. C'est très bien. Now, donner. Repeat after me. Donner.
Together.
Donner is
Donner.
my verb to give. Donner. Repeat, because we are doing that verbs which we are using in our daily routine. Demander is
Yep.
to ask, commander is to order, parler is to speak. It's clear to you. Donner. Donner is my verb to
Je
give.
donne.
Exactement. Je donne. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je donne. C'est
Je
clair.
donne.
Tu donnes. C'est clair. Il, elle
Elle, elle
donne.
donne.
C'est très
Nous
bien.
donnons. Vous
Okay.
donnez. Elle,
Nous
elle
donnons,
donne.
vous donnez, and il, elle donne. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Ouais.
Is it clear to you? Why?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, these are basically your, we have a lot of early verbs, and slowly and gradually you will come to know, like what are the verb pattern, okay, how we can conjugate this, obviously. But, in French language, we have some different conjugation also. Like, exactement, we have a formula, which we are follow the formula, je don, tu don, il, elle don, nous donnons, vous donnez, il, elle donne. But, now it is again Very, very important to understand. In French, obviously, as I have conveyed to you, we have three type of verbs, which is er ending verb, which is ir ending verb, and which is re ending verb. So basically, in French language, we have a three type of verbs. But you know what? It is not like that, that in every verb we will apply the same formula. There are few verbs, very important to understand. There are few verbs. There are few verbs in French language. In French, there are few verbs in French wherein we have to do the conjugation by heart. We have to do the conjugation by heart. Obviously, now for example, what is the meaning of this? There are few verbs in French wherein we have to do the conjugation by heart. What is this? Now I will explain to you. Now, for example, may I rub this? Est-ce que j'ai pas facile le tableau? Why? Why? May I rub this?
Oui.
Okay, c'est très bien. D'accord, Manpreet? Why? Sahil and Samar? Why? Gagan? Okay.
Oui.
Now, for example, we have a verb like aller. Now, aller is my verb to go. Now you will say, okay, aller is ending verb. So we can make a formula of E-S-E. No, 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 no. Because there are some verbs which we call as irregular verbs. See, the verbs wherein you have a formula that we call as a regular verb in a regularity. Like you have a formula and you can make this. But you know, in French language, there are some verbs wherein we do not have formula and we have to conjugate by heart. Say, Claire, is it clear
How
to you?
many verbs are there?
There are almost 15, 16 verbs, which is very important verbs, and in which we do not have formula. And I will explain to you those verbs. Say, Claire, d'accord? Why?
Oui.
Okay, so aller is my verb to go. The moment I will conjugate the verb like I go, you go, he, she goes, now repeat after me. And it is just you have to repeat after me because these are the verbs which you have to do by heart, learn by heart. Now, repeat after moi. You do not have formula of this. Je vais, repeat after moi. Je vais, you have to repeat
Je
after
vais.
me. Je vais,
Je
tu
vais.
vas,
Tu vais.
tu vas,
Tu vas.
tu vas, elle va, répète après moi.
vas.
Je vais, tu vas,
Tu vas.
elle va,
Elle va.
nous allons,
Nous
répétez
allons.
après moi. Nous allons,
Nous allons.
vous allez,
Vous allez.
elles vont. Now repeat
vont.
after me. And you have to repeat with me 5, 6 times because these are the very important verbs. Ale, now you will say why? We have e-running verb and we don't have formula like E, E-S-E. No, jamais, never, ever. So now you have to repeat after me because there are some 14, 15 verbs wherein we have to learn the ending by heart. Repeat after me. Ale is my verb to go. Repeat like this. Ale is my verb to go. The moment I will conjugate ale verb with I go, you go, he, she goes. Now repeat after me. Je vais is to I go. Repeat like this. Je vais is to I go.
I go.
Tu vas is to you go. Tu vas is to you go. Il, elle va is to he, she goes. Repeat after me. Il, elle va is
Elle
to
va.
he, she goes.
She goes.
Nous allons. Over here,
Nous
okay, we have the
allons.
same ending. Okay. Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Okay. Vous allez.
Vous
C'est
allez.
clair. Vous allez. Nous allons is to we go. Vous allez is to you go.
You go.
Elles vont. Ils, elles vont is to they go. Now repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas,
Je vais.
il, elle va, nous allons,
va.
vous allez, il, elles vont.
Vous avez.
Is that clear to you? Now repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas. Because yes, you have to come up with a sound and tone. Make a song like this. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, il, elle va. Or you can say, je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez. Because obviously, you have to learn the ending. Either you can make your song, either you can, if you will say, je vais, tu vas, and that's your sense. Say clair. Now repeat like this. Je vais, tu vas, je vais, tu vas,
Chua.
il, elle va,
Elva.
nous allons,
Nous
vous allez,
Zale.
il, elle vont. Say
elles
clair.
vont.
Now repeat after me. If I will say I go, I cannot say shall. No, no, never. Jamais. Aller is my full verb to go. Now repeat after me. Aller is my full verb
Aller.
to go. बोलो je vais,
Je vais.
Yahweh.
tu vas. देखो यहाँ पे
Nous.
what we are doing over here, we are not pronounce s because s would be silent. Okay, now repeat after me. Je vais, repeat after me. Je vais,
Yahweh.
tu vas, tu vas,
Tua.
il, elle va.
Elva.
Now one thing you have to
Nous
understand.
allons.
Repeat after me. If, in case, your word is ending from a consonant, repeat after me. Repeat like this. If your word is ending from a consonant, repeat like this. If your word is ending from a
Word is ending
consonant,
from
right?
any consonant.
And the next
allons.
word is starting from a vowel. If your word is ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, you have to combine the sound. You can say nous allons. You will say because
Nous
S will not
allons.
pronounce. Now what you will say? You will say
Nous
S will
allons.
not get pronounced. So we'll say nous allons. No. Whenever you have a
Nous
consonant
allons.
ending, right, and the next word is starting from a vowel, you have to combine za. Répétez après moi. Za. Za.
Za.
Nous allons. C'est clair. C'est clair. Vous allez. Za.
Allez.
C'est clair. So consonant ending and a vowel starting will be combined the sound. C'est clair. Why?
Ouais.
Why? Manfred, Sahil, Samar, Gagan. Is it clear to you, messieurs?
Yeah.
Why?
Ouais.
Okay, now répétez après
Yes,
moi. Je vais is to I go. Tu vas is to you go. Il, elle va is to he, she goes. Nous allons is to we go. Vous allez is to you go. And il, elles vont is to they go. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Ouais.
Is it clear to you? Because obviously,
Yes.
evidemment, they are like 14, 15 verbs. Obviously, evidemment. You have to learn by heart. Stay clear. So now, ale is my verb to go. Repeat, Manfred. Ale verb.
Aller. To go.
Allez. Tu go.
Mhm.
Je vais.
Mhm.
I go.
Mhm.
Tu vais. You
Tu
go.
vas, tu vas.
Tu vas.
Tu vas, because we have a.
Yeah.
Glad.
Pronounce us.
Il, elle va, he, she goes.
Very good. Very
Nous
good.
allons.
Mhm.
They and after.
Vous allez. Vous allez.
Vous allez.
Because we have
Okay.
S and O. Okay, clair.
And
And
il,
ils,
elle.
elles vont. C'est
Il,
clair.
elles vont.
C'est clair.
Yeah.
D'accord. Why? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Claire? No. चलो अब मैं आपको एक बहुत इजी वर्ब दे आई विल गिव यू वन वेरी इजी वर्ब cuisine.
To cook.
Yes. Now conjugate cuisine verb. It's very simple verb. You have to eliminate er and pen down in your notepad and send it back to me in my WhatsApp. Pen down in your notepad cuisine verb and you have to pen down and click the photo and send it back to my WhatsApp. Your time starts now. Cuisine. I will give you some verbs which you have to send it back to me. Okay. We have verb ferme. Ferme is my verb to close. So conjugate two verbs in your notepad and send it back to me in my WhatsApp. Send it back to me, please. And meanwhile, I'm going to share with you a new link. Okay. I'm going to disconnect this. I'm going to share a new link. Okay. And meanwhile, do this and send it back to me in my WhatsApp.
Please send photos.
Okay. All right. I will. Sure.